everything feels too theoretical. My students aren't really building anything, and I'm not sure how to change that. How do I even teach AI properly? How do I track what students are learning?
What if learning felt more hands-on? What if AI wasn't just something students learned about, but something they could actually build with? With Qubits, AI moves from concept to creation. Structured learning, real-world projects, clarity for teachers, engagement for students. To know more, join our webinar, Discover AI with Qubits, Empowering Future AI Developers. Because students shouldn't just learn AI, they should build with it.